Hey people, so there is the show called The Business of Drugs that is on Netflix, and it will show you just how, uh, like they have like 7 episodes, each one dedicated to one particular type of drug, like as in cocaine, how it is produced, and what are the kind of my god, this is one of the first times that watching a documentary gave me goosebumps. I mean, normally when you watch some crime drama or something, you get goosebumps, but this is a documentary that'll show you just how. Um, did you know 1 ton of cocoa leaves, that cocaine leaves, whatever, that not chocolate cocoa, that cocoa leaves, it's spelled, can give you one ton of those leaves can give you only 1 kg of cocaine. So that is that's what cocaine is known to be, very expensive, right? And that's what they, in this documentary, they explore the fact that the people who collect those cocoa leaves are, it's abject poverty they live in, and the people who make the money are the cartels, the crime mafia kinds. So really, people, try and watch it. It's on Netflix. It's called The Business of Drugs. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.